here with forestkittie.
Hello.
And today we will be playing Survivor. We were going to have some other people, but they just didn't like this game because they like to glitch, and I don't like people glitching. It's just wrong, and I don't like that. So what we're gonna do is like this: if they join, they can join. But yeah, so we'll see you when the stuff starts. Guys, we can pick our game. Okay. So which name do you want to pick?
Caspian.
I'm gonna be Paige. Welcome to Chili's. I love it. If you guys don't know, that's a vine. It's a vine. Do it for them. I'm gonna do it for them. I don't know. I'm just saying weird things, guys. I'm very sorry. Blub 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 blub. I'm strange.
Yes.
Do you want to come sit down next to me?
Serenity.
Come sit down next to me. While we wait, we will also do.
Your kitchen.
Okay, guys, we are back. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I'm gonna vote for forestkittie. She's a great leader.
Yeah, I'm gonna vote on chocolate.
Yeah! Oh, we're next to each other like we always are. Each day. Guys, by the way, forestkittie is very laggy. It's really sad, but she is. Cry. Redemption. Come on, Jeff, you evil little whore. Screenshot!
Serenity. I vote you Paige.
Yay! Hopefully we're definitely not on, like, I'm a team leader and then you're a team leader. Hopefully it's not like that.
But you never know.
Oh.
Oh, no, it was. Because I like this thing. I like this thing. Well, I'm not like huge.
I'm gonna say vote me face. Say vote me face so we get on the same team.
I don't really care which one, but I really want to give you one.
Yes.
No, you're against your face.
Face. No.
Please face for me.
Faither.
Yes! Oh, face for me.
Yes! Succeeded!
Yes, I'll guess, please. Oops, I meant change. Face for baby.
His face. Why Faither? Sorry, I'm pretty.
By the way, guys, I'm pretty good, and then I'm pretty pissed at my computer sometimes.
Yes, she's getting a new computer, so she is not as laggy.
Because this laptop is just bad.
Like,
I'm not gonna say because some of you may have the same one you're saying. Oh no, I just got your same laptop and it's perfect.
Yeah, but
I just feel like
hers was probably in the year. Hers was probably in that box for
Cardboard
2,000
box.
years.
Cardboard box.
Wow, no wonder it's best. But if you guys like it, I don't know, maybe you do. So,
Maybe you do, maybe you don't.
I'm gonna pause for a second. Okay guys, we're back. Hopefully it's not my turn yet. We have some people on. I will film probably Serenity's turn and my turn. So, look at the pretty ocean. No. Pretty ocean. Pretty ocean! Pretty ocean. Oh, it's my turn. I didn't live.
Also, sometimes my leg is just great with like driving on this. That's really
She does great driving.
And then just great with the doom mugging, so I'm just so happy with the around. It's just great.
Okay,
I'm
guys.
going up next after Isabel.
We'll take it. Guys, back on. It was her turn and I didn't get to record it. I feel so bad for myself,
No,
but
it's fine, it's fine.
it's okay, I guess. We're tired, I think. Guys, we're heading to
Tribal council.
tribal cancel.
But at least we tried. That's all that matters. We put our effort in.
Yes, put your effort in. You'll do your best, but okay, guys, I'm gonna have to record it because of this one too. I'm only going. Guys, we're in tribal cancel. I'm going to see him because he looked extremely rude to me. He said. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna record this. Okay, guys, we're gonna pause real quick. Okay, guys, good night. Okay, guys, I'm sorry to say it, but we're gonna have to end it for here. Stop moving! So guys,
May or may not be a part two.
probably not, but I hope you guys all enjoyed it. So have a good, nice day, and keep on smiling. Bye! Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.